Bore da dosbarth da. This week's focus for our learning is the video The Little Boat, which you can get on our on YouTube. If you type in the Little Boat in the search bar, it'll come up. I've also put a link to that and the video on our class page for you to use. Remember, when you're completing your first bit of your language work, not to cheat. You can only go up to the time that Miss Nixon has put on the information. I think it's 1 minute 41 seconds, but please don't go past that. You need to make a really good prediction based on what you've seen. Now, your second literacy activity is to write a list of the feelings that you feel while you're watching the story, not watching the video clip. Now, Miss Nixon felt lots and lots of different emotions, and you need to then explain why that you felt this way. So Miss Nixon is going to give you an example of how you can complete your learning. So I'm going to watch the video, and as I'm going through, I'm going to write down a list of the different things I feel. Now, I've drawn at the top some different emotions. I bet you can guess what they are. Got a happy face, feeling a little bit sad, confused, worried, and shocked or excited. So they're just some of the emotions that Miss Nixon may feel while watching this video, but there might be more. So let's have a look. So at the start of the video clip, Miss Nixon feels curious. Curious. I want to find out more. I want to know what's going to happen. I'm just watching it here. Oh. Now I'm a little bit worried. I'm a little bit scared about what's going to happen to the little boat here. So I'm going to write that I'm worried. This part makes me feel quite calm. I feel calm. Here, Miss Nixon feels happy because the two monkeys on the boat are playing together, having a nice time. During the night, when the boat's sailing, Miss Nixon felt a little bit scared. Now, we've only watched 58 seconds of that clip, and there are lots of different emotions that Miss Nixon felt. So why was I curious? I was curious because I wanted to know what was going to happen. I was worried because the boat was sailing through a storm. Okay, and you then can write. Miss Nixon's not going to write them all because I don't want to give you all of my ideas. I want you to be able to have a think, okay? So these were the different feelings that Miss Nixon felt. You might feel something different, and that's okay as well, okay? But we're going to start to write about expressing our feelings when we're watching something, when we seeing a drama or a video clip or looking at a story. So your challenge is to write down as many feelings as you felt throughout that clip and give me a little explanation as to why. Now make sure your writing is all in a line, it's all a similar size, and make sure that our monkey tails are hanging below the lines and our tall letters are slightly higher, slightly taller than our shorter letters. Da iawn, class 2. I'm looking forward to seeing you learning on Seesaw.